friends, welcome to my channel. I make videos about Amazon KDP and self-publishing your no content and low content books. If that's something you're interested in, then please do subscribe my channel. In today's video, we'll be talking about categories. Let's see categories क्या होते हैं. Categories are sections of Amazon sites where customers can find your books. We will be looking at different types of categories, how many categories you can put in your book, and how categories will help you rank your books in the search results. For bonus tips, I will also give you few suggestions along the video so that you can avoid those common mistakes that I've seen so far, which have led many people get their accounts suspended or worse, even get their account closed down. You define your niche while making a book, and according to that niche, you define your categories. For example, think you have made a Sudoku game book. Now, for this example, let's go to Amazon KDP. You will be putting your title as Sudoku puzzle book or Sudoku game book. Now, below over here, you will find something called as categories and choose categories. From there, you will get many options, and according to your niche, you can choose which category you want to select. For this, I know my book is a game book, so I can either select activity book or search for games and select Sudoku itself. You can select various things. You have to look for categories in which your books fit in. Now you might be asking, how many categories can I select? Amazon limits you for selecting just 2 categories. If you try to select more than 2 categories, it will give you an error saying you have to just select 2 categories for your books. And that's it. That's how you select categories for your book. Now let's head over to Amazon.com and search for Sudoku game books. This will give you a search result related to the books available for Sudoku. You can see these people are also selling their books via Amazon KDP. When you click on the book and scroll down, you will get the best sellers and their categories. You can see from here, this person has selected these categories. This way you can do your research and see people publishing in the similar niche, what they have put as their categories. Over here, this person has put their books in travel games and Sudoku. Now, Sudoku becomes a direct niche. You have made a Sudoku book and you are categorizing it as Sudoku. You can also select indirect niche like travel games or brain and logic teasers. This also becomes your niche. It doesn't become direct niche, but it does fall under the niche category. Let me give you a tip. It is okay to select something relating to the categories. For example, if you are publishing a Sudoku game book, you can put it in the category of travel games, something like that. But if you try to put it in categories in which it does not belong and Amazon notices it, they will flag your account. It is highly disapproved that you put categories that your books don't fall into. You should not do that. Earlier it was okay and people used to go away with it, but since 2021, Amazon has blocked all those things. If Amazon sees you using that, they will block your account. Let's see. This person has included logic and brain teaser as a category. Yes, it does fall into that. Let's look at another example. Let's go for composition notebooks. let's look at this one. Graph paper composition notebooks, grid notebooks. Now, this person has 13 ratings and he is in bestseller. Let's look at his categories. His category is earthquake and volcano, industrial ergonomics, aircraft designs and constructions. I can understand industrial ergonomics and aircraft designs, but I do not understand earthquakes and volcanoes for this. But this has helped him rank in the bestseller. Earthquakes and volcano, he is ranking first in all the categories that he has selected. Not only this categories will help him in the best selling, but it also helped him come in the first page. That is very important. Categories help you rank and come in the first page of your Amazon search result. Now let's go and check BSR. If you search BSR calculator on Google, you will get free tool to search your BSR. Let's check this person's BSR rank. If you take his bestseller ranking in books and copy paste it over here, that is 6628, remove the comma, book type book and calculate sales. Then you will see how much this person is selling for a month and a single day sales. He's selling 524 per month and 35 per day. That's an amazing sales that he is getting, and he is getting all these sales because of using proper categories and proper keywords. I hope you have liked this video. If you do, please do subscribe to my channel. Let's look at one more. He has a bit higher ratings. His ratings are not that low. If you just copy paste it and remove the comma and select book and calculate sales. Okay, I have a spacing over here. Let's see, remove the space and click on calculate sales. This person has 170 sales per month and 11 sales per day of this one single book. He might have 10 different similar books, but from this book itself he is getting 170 sales a month. This is how KDP works, and KDP is amazing. If you want more tips regarding this, please do continue following my channel. If you have liked this video, please support me by hitting that like button and commenting down below. If you want more such videos like this, please subscribe. I will continue to put forward kind of videos so that it will help you start your own KDP business smoothly. Thank you so much. Bye bye.